Hi everyone! In this quick video, I'll be giving you an overview of the Cleanly Job Manager Add-on, a simple and powerful tool that allows you to manage job postings and handle staff applications directly from your Cleanly dashboard. Once the add-on is activated, you'll notice a new menu item called Job Manager within your Cleanly admin panel. Inside the Job Manager settings, you can first enable the Job Manager feature, allowing individuals to apply as staff members. Here, you can also set your platform fee, which can be adjusted as needed. For example, if the fee is set to 20%, that amount will be deducted from the total booking value for each completed job. Next, let's take a look at the staff dashboard. Under the Job Overview section, staff can view their job statistics, including total jobs, upcoming jobs, requested job closures, and fully closed jobs. Under the Staff Overview section, they'll see a financial summary, such as total job earnings, paid amounts, and unpaid amounts. Moving on to the Find Jobs page. Here, staff members can view all upcoming appointments. They can accept or reject jobs directly from this screen. They'll also see the total booking amount and their personal payout after the platform fee, displayed under the Your Amount column. Inside the My Jobs menu, staff can track their job progress and view summaries of running jobs, unpaid jobs, and paid jobs. Now let's visit the Reports section in Cleanly. By clicking the Job Reports tab, the admin can view all job-related reports where staff have applied for or completed tasks. Reports can be filtered by staff member, month, and job type. Additionally, the admin can print the report or download it as a PDF for record keeping. In the All Bookings menu, admins have the ability to mark a job as paid once the staff member has received their payout. Bookings can also be filtered by job type, such as paid or unpaid, and by specific staff members. Finally, inside the Staff Members menu, the admin can view the entire staff list. When someone applies to become a staff member, the admin can approve or reject the application. Approved staff profiles can be edited at any time. There's also a New Staff button that allows the admin to manually add a new staff member. And that's a quick overview of the Cleanly Job Manager Add-on, a simple, flexible, and user-friendly solution for managing your job workflow, all integrated directly into your existing Cleanly dashboard. Thanks for watching this overview, and I hope you enjoy using the Job Manager Add-on.